devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress. Call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang, bang, got my hand, bang, got my hand. Call
So guys, I guess that's pretty much it for this 30-ish thousand rupee PC build time lapse. So I'm gonna have a video coming up next where we're gonna be testing out how this performs, and I'm also gonna be talking about why I picked each of these parts. I'm gonna be giving you all the explanations there. So make sure you stay tuned for that. If you've not subscribed yet, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. If you've already subscribed, go ahead, turn on notifications by hitting that bell icon. Also, if you wanna see more PC builds like this, give this video a thumbs up, and every part that I've used in this video, I've listed it in the description below. If you can't wait for the video and you want to immediately see what it is that I've used in this build, go ahead, check that out. And I guess that's pretty much it. Thumbs up, thumbs down based on whatever you felt. Thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. Oh yeah, do you guys want to see more PC builds? Do you guys want to see an AMD build or an Intel build? Let me know in the comments below and I will try to get that done. And thanks a lot for watching. Till next time, my name's Ash. You've been watching C4E Tech and I'm signing off for now. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.